Let's calculate the area of these circles. The first circle is a radius of 4 cm. Using the formula, area is equal to pi r squared, and for the value of pi, we're going to use 3.14. So let's substitute the value of pi, 3.14, times the radius, which is 4 centimeter, then square. So let's solve first the radius. So that will be 3.14, then 4 cm squared, that will become 16 cm square. Next is we're going to multiply 3.14 times 16 cm squared. That will be 50.24 cm square. So for the area of the first circle will be 50.24 cm square. For the second circle, the given here is a diameter. So we have to use the formula radius t over 2, which d stands for the diameter. That will be r is equal to 6 centimeter over 2, and that is 3 cm, and that will be the value of your radius. Now we can use the formula of the area of a circle. So area is equal to pi r squared. Once again, we're going to use 3.14 as the value of pi. So 3.14 times the value of radius, which is 3 cm, then bracket square. So again, solve first the radius. So that will be, copy first the 3.14 for the value of pi, and then 3 cm squared, that will become 9 cm square. Next, we're going to multiply 3.14 times 9 cm, and that will be 28.26 cm square. So that will be the area of our second circle.